Hello everyone, welcome to another video by CollegeDekho. In this video, we are going to discuss the top 5 tips and tricks for MAH MBA CET 2023 shared by candidates who have aced the exam. The tentative dates have been announced for Maharashtra MBA CET 2023, and as per that, the exam will be conducted on March 18th and March 19th. To prepare well, let us discuss the tips and tricks to score well on the exam. Your first step while preparing for MBA CET should be to create a definite study plan. This plan must include spending at least a half hour each day answering sample questions. It will help gain the patience and speed necessary to perform well during the 150-minute final exam. A common oversight that a majority of aspirants make is not analyzing their preparation properly. If you keep on learning without testing your knowledge and learnings, you will never know whether or not you are on the right track. A common remark made by every MAH MBA CET topper or toppers of other popular MBA entrance exams is that they practiced mock tests rigorously. This is a step that you should follow at multiple stages of your MAH MBA CET preparation. Identifying your strengths and weaknesses is important not only for a more personalized preparation, but also to realize how much time and effort is required for each portion of the MAH MBA CET syllabus. Another commonly used trick by MAH MBA CET toppers is setting goals for themselves during the preparation. Without setting goals, candidates will find it hard to measure how much they have prepared for the MAH MBA CET exam. Therefore, you should set monthly, weekly, and daily goals for yourself to meet during your daily preparation. One fact that every MAH MBA CET aspirant must acknowledge is that every student is different in terms of skills, strengths, and weaknesses. The preparation requirements for every student are different, and so is their ability to perform during exams like MAH MBA CET. Thus, you must devise an examination strategy to follow during the exam that will help you achieve your target score. Every MAH MBA CET topper has been known to follow an examination strategy that suited them best and helped them ace the exam. Preparing for an exam like MAH MBA CET can be tedious for a lot of students, especially if they are not used to appearing for competitive exams. However, if aspirants follow certain guidelines and diligently follow a well-defined routine, cracking MAH MBA CET can become achievable. We hope these tips and tricks will help you prepare well for your exam. To know more about MAH MBA CET, stay tuned to CollegeDekho's YouTube channel and share your queries through our Q&A zone. Link in the description.
If you like this video, don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to our YouTube channel.